into Lrnr, what do you expect in Lrnr? We have, let's talk about the learning content. So we have your OpenStax textbook, which is our base. We've embedded 3D images. We'll also be embedding cadaver images along with the 3D viewer. Again, I'm focused on anatomy and physiology for this presentation. We have an adaptive sidebar with where you can expect videos, simulations, 2D and 3D activities, flashcards, terms and definitions, and custom slides can be put in on request. So this is an adaptive sidebar. It's highly contextual to what the student is viewing on the main text, and that's how it appears. And we have multiple algorithms that also make it highly personalized. We support a lot of annotation. So students or instructors can highlight, bookmark, and take notes. And we automatically build a study guide out of it. And because every annotation is linked to the main text, students do not get lost. And I can show that to you during the demo. For assessment content, all of our questions are aligned to the main text. That means every single question is linked. We are aligned to Bloom's and learning objectives. And we also have right and wrong answer feedback for all of our questions. Our practice bank has 2440. Those are the stats. We are building more cadaver activities, and over 2,400 questions are at a higher level of Bloom's, which means that we are not expecting students to just memorize stuff and be able to answer these questions. They need to start thinking and applying. MyBank is a feature where you can create your own questions and diagram activities. You can mix and match learner questions and activities with your own questions and activities while building assignments. Assignments. So you can create homework and tests. Tests is more like a mini respondus where learner locks itself down. So students cannot have like multiple windows on multiple devices looking at learner in different areas while they're taking the test. So it's a pretty neat feature with no additional cost. You can customize your quizzes and activities. You can also build templates out of the assignments that you've built, and that can be either reused by you for the next semester. It can also be shared with other faculty so they don't have to do it all over again. We also support automatic submission, and we have multiple configurable features for allowing submission to be automatic, and when the submission happens for students who are late. We also have late submission penalty, and we can go into a lot more detail during our Q&A. We also can build deep links into your LMS. So for each individual assignment, which can be automated, which means that let's say you build an assignment on Lrnr and it's published, and the start date is today. It automatically a link is pushed back to Canvas so that students are aware that, oh, hey, there's an assignment and I need to do it. Gradebook. So we support a detailed gradebook report. It has a lot of information in it. We can provide analytics up to a question level. We can also sync Gradebook to your LMS, like I mentioned before. So there's new features coming soon. We are working on these. We have active polling, which is very similar to Kahoot or Top Hat, where you can use learners' own questions or the questions you build to take an active poll during your lecture. We're also building note sharing and slides with annotation. So slides with annotation is a combination of active polling where you can upload your own slides, annotate on it, and then on your slide or after each slide, you can also ask questions. So that's something that we're building.